Okay, so guys, school in Igbo language is akwụkwọ. But when you are going to school, like a school is called ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ụlọ akwụkwọ. For example, I am going to school. Ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Ana m eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. You see that thing hanging on the wall? Look, it's called elekere. 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 Yeah. So, when you're going to school, you say, Anam eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Anam eje ụlọ akwụkwọ. Actually, so you can imitate what I am saying. You know all those TikTok videos that you usually do, imitating them. Now it's time to imitate your language. Follow me and speak